a tiny story. Ki, a tree, hayashi, the woods, mori, a forest, watch it grow. 1, 2, 3, trace kanji map, add a tree and off we go. Draw a trunk and branches, ki, a picture grew into a sign. 2 trees side by side, hayashi, the woods are looking fine. Ki, hayashi, mori, tree plus tree plus tree. 3 trees stack, a forest mori. The more you add, the more you see. Kanji is a picture game. Stack the pictures, read the name. One more friend, the root, ha, a line at the bottom of the tree. Ha, home means book and origin. Nihon is Japan, you'll see. Ki, hayashi, mori, home. 4 little stories, 1 family tree. Read them on the mountain road. Kanji stories, you hold the key.